Hello. In today's video, I am doing a challenge. I am challenging myself to earn money through ClickBank and YouTube Shorts, and I will document everything. So, to keep you going, I will lead you step by step on how to find a product on ClickBank, how to create a hop link or your affiliate link, and then how to find a proper channel, which is in this case YouTube Shorts, and we will create a YouTube Shorts which are exploding at this moment and promote our link directly to the affiliate offer, which is something I do not recommend. So let's get started. On our screen you have ClickBank. ClickBank is a big affiliate marketing network where you can find products to promote. So you can just go to clickbank.com and register there, and when you're registered, come here and log in. When we log in, there is a big menu here up in the upper side where you will click Marketplace. Okay, in today's video we will promote a health and fitness niche, and we will find a product called BioFit. Okay, log in to ClickBank. Click on Marketplace on the upper hand side. As you can see, this is my brand new ClickBank account, so I can track the real results. Marketplace, then find health and fitness niche, and we will search a product called BioFit. I know that this product works. It's here, and when you are ready, then you can create your affiliate link, which we will shorten using the bit.ly link management. So click on promote. This will open up a pop-up like this. Click on generate hop links and click here to copy your hop link. Now go to bit.ly.com and click create, and then just enter the long URL here and click create. I already did this, and I named my link BioFit bit.ly/HMT, which is Honest Marketing Tips minus BioFit. And this will be the link. If we copy this link and put it in a new tab, yes, you will see that it will land us on the landing page of the product, which has a video with a sound, and people will be able to watch a video, and after some time the buy button will appear here. So if you look at this, the average conversion is $179, which is high, but what's very important is this product has a recurring revenue. If you sell something, it can be a recurring revenue, like a monthly revenue. So they will pay like $52 every month if they buy that upsell. If you go, every ClickBank affiliate product has a link to affiliate page, which looks like this. Here you can have a lot of information on the product, like images, pictures, email swipes, that will be doing in the next video. And even free ebooks, which we will use in the next video as so-called lead magnets. So you will get them a free ebook, and then they will give you in their email address, and then you will try to sell something in the email sequence. So for now, this is all you need to know. So we have a link, and we have everything prepared to create a YouTube Shorts. So we will use Canva, which you can get from the link in my description. It's free, but you can use a pro version. So basically, when you go to canva.com, register, and then on the homepage you click on the video, and then on mobile video. This will bring you to the page where you can choose templates from the left side, or you just drag them here or just click them, and you will have it already with video and everything's ready to go. So we will find one that is in the fitness niche, and we can use any of them. I have already done my video, so basically I will show you. It looks like this. It's basically one of the templates, and those images, I have like 3 images. One is with meter, one is with food, one is with fitness, and the other is very important. So you have a link in bio, call to action. So if you play this video from the beginning, you will see the video. I will show you also how to add sound. So I will show you how to get the images and this sound to use in your shorts. So you go to Google and look for pexels.com, and you can search for free photos and videos. You can type in weight loss and then choose the vertical orientation. As you can see, these are a few of the images I used, and just click on the image and download it. That way you can use 3 to 5 images, because the YouTube shorts are not longer than 60 seconds, but it's better to have them shorter, like 20 seconds. And the sound, you can go to YouTube audio library, which is a big library of sounds you can use for free, and you simply find the sound here and download it, and then upload it go to uploads, upload media, upload the sound here, and then just drag and drop it on your video, and that's it. You created your video. Now, in order to create a short, you go to your YouTube channel and create a video with upload video. I already downloaded my video from, you just click download here and download it on your computer, then upload it here, and while it's uploaded, you can adjust the title and things that you want to add in your description. I have some pre-made text here. So basically our title will be lose your weight and stay healthy, and description, which is very important, we can get from some of the email swipes. So go to email swipes in affiliate tools, and you can find a nice subject like this: fun and effortless way to lose weight, and make it a description. Find out more by clicking here, and then we can copy our affiliate link and put it right here. This is what we need. The thumbnail is not important for shorts because it is not shown to people. You can just pick one of those. Playlist not important. You should put it no, it's not made for kids. And the most important part is to add several tags like weight loss journey, for example, and try to add as many tags that are related to weight loss in here, up to 500 characters. Then everything else can stay as is. You can go to next. And then you just put it to public and publish. I already did that because my challenge already started, so I will not do that now. But that is how you create YouTube shorts with free, royalty-free images, with free tool like Canva, which you can find in the description of this video, and publish them on the YouTube itself. So I will now go to sleep, and I will come back in a few days with the results of this experiment.
Several days later.
So here we are, 4 days later, and our shorts video received a staggering 1 view. only one view. And it's not a bad video, but it didn't stick. So don't be demotivated. Obviously, you will not get millions of dollars using only one shorts video, but this is actually working fine. You just have to stay consistent and make videos daily, and the traffic will come eventually. If you are promoting this product, be careful. Some of the social media doesn't like weight loss and can ban you and everything. So be careful where you are promoting your traffic. What I would suggest is you post this same video to Instagram Reels, post this same video to TikTok. All those videos have to go to the same link, and then you can promote it and be successful in time. Everything needs time. You cannot get rich quick. This is a scam. Nobody can get rich quick. Passive income is years of working, and then you are collecting the benefits. You can say that this video is like a seed, and you are planting this seed that in the future it will bring income and you will earn money from it. But it is nearly impossible to do that from only one YouTube Shorts video. One thing to remember, and I mentioned that before, is that we are linking directly in the description, we are linking directly to the affiliate link, which is not good. I suggest we improve on this and show you a simple way you can build a very simple 2-page funnel for absolutely free in few minutes, and you will be able to collect email address from all your people that are clicking on this link before they go out to the offer and order the actual product. And then you can use that email list to promote other things related to your niche or your category in which you are making all those videos on those platforms. Let me show you how easy it is to set up a two-page funnel in a software called System.io. So basically we are going to use the System.io funnel builder, which you can access through the link in the description below. And it's completely free. If you see the pricing, you will have this free, where you can have up to 2,000 contacts. This is recently been doubled. So this is a tool that you can build the funnels and have the newsletter campaigns and contacts and everything in the same tool, which is pretty convenient for a beginner which don't have much money. So you have unlimited emails, free sales funnels, which is quite okay for a beginner, up to 10 steps in funnels, one blog, and so on and so forth. You can see this for ourselves. So when you log in into the System.io, you will go to the funnels section. I already created this funnel, but I will create one. I will show you how it looks. So if you go here, and this is our funnel URL. If you click on this button, View Funnel, you will be able to see our script page. So this is a pretty similar page, which is a landing page, which says, watch this short video to learn how to lose weight fast without giving up any of your favorites food, which is actually taken from the actual ClickBank sales page, which gives you like a consistent look. So when they enter email and name here and click on the send me the video training, they will be sent to the BioFit page to view the video and pay or buy something if they want. But at the same time they will be added to a campaign. So I can show you how this tool is very easy to use. So when I added this, so it's basically you just select something and type. When you click on this button, you can decide what will happen when you click the button. So when button is clicked, you will send the form, which is actually saving the email and name into your email list. And then we will redirect to a custom URL, which is actually our affiliate link, which will land them here. And we will basically have like a referral. And that's it. You just need that one page. This page is actually created through the just a blank template. When you go to funnels and create new, you will have you will name your funnel and click build an audience, and then you will get like templates which are already done for you. You just make sure you change the image, the background image, and the text, and you can leave this powered by system.io, but you can remove it somewhere in the settings. Basically, what we are going to do now is go back to our YouTube Shorts video, and inside the YouTube Studio for my channel, I will go to content and I will edit the description of this channel to go to my copy link, so to go to my landing page rather than directly to the affiliate offer. This way, let me save this. Okay, this way we will collect the emails. One more thing I wanted to show you: if you go into this funnel, you can set automation rules. So I said when funnel step form subscribe, so when we collect the email and the address, the person will be added to our campaign biofeed. You can add your campaigns here under emails, campaigns, and that's it. When you do this, you will be able to send newsletters to these people with I would suggest the first 3 emails should provide some value, so some recipes or some weight loss tips that are totally free, and then in the 3rd email or a 4th email you actually try to sell them again the biofeed offer from ClickBank or whichever you are using. So this is actually the proper way to do affiliate marketing, so you're not spamming. One thing that I said, so you have to stay consistent, create YouTube Shorts using the Canva, which you can also get with 14 days free trial from the link in the description, and be consistent, post every day, and don't forget to post the same video on the TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and Pinterest and wherever you mean to grow your traffic to your YouTube Shorts and earn money. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel